Centro now includes multiple forms per a single trigger. And for the quick demonstration of this, we will go to this message shortcut to create a case from a DM message. And you can see we now have multiple forms that display to the user. How this is configured is in Centro Home under the workflow setup. I'll go down to the create case message shortcut. This works for all trigger types, including those coming from Salesforce. If I hit edit, you can now see we can select up to 10 forms that are associated with this trigger. The thing that should be noted is under the form setup, if we look under the form detail, the form label and the form help text appear on the modal. So if you want to have some help text associated with those forms, you can now show those by setting those values in the actual form setup. Again, those will show up when I go into the trigger. This is the help text and this is the label. Let us know if you have any questions.